you. See all of you, we have seen different types of APP scenarios like I mean amount limits, okay, and at the same time exclusion of partial payments, okay, how we can able to do the partial payments and all. And you have seen the vendor payment methods are taking and all, okay. But the thing is that they are not going to ask you these types of questions, okay. I mean, everybody knows, right, how the payment will be picked up, okay. I mean, payment method will be picked up, and how the invoices will be processed, and um, what are the major errors that we have faced. Okay, everybody knows it, right? But the thing is that the precision of particular scenario is very, very important. Okay, and the thing is that see, whenever we are having the situations like real time, okay, and they go in depth. When they go in depth, you need to explore more, right? So whenever you are having the toughest interview questions and all in future, okay, they have already explored the I mean, they may have explored different types of options and all, and you may not have crossed, okay, and you may not have come across all these things. But the thing is that whenever you do practice with all the systems like ECC and SAP as for HANA, okay, you just go to the different types of options, then only you can able to get it. Otherwise, you are not going to get it. Those are the scenarios. First of all, scenario means exploring the fields, okay, exploring the options, okay, using those options, how you are utilizing this SAP software, okay, how you make this software to give more solutions to the client. Okay, so that is the very much important point that we have right now. And I mean, the way you show the efforts, okay, so that means you are exploring the fields. So exploring the field is very, very important. Now today, what we need to do is all of you, we will going to do 3 more scenarios in automatic payment program only. You got my point, right, all of you? We will going to do 3 more scenarios, which are very, very important. Why? Because in interview point of view, they will just ask you these questions. Okay, don't worry. So we will going to cover it. Okay. Uh, yeah. So based on the document number wise, okay, based on the document number wise, how we can able to exclude the invoices of vendors as well as invoices of customers. Okay, that is the most important point right now we have. All right. So to see that scenario, okay, what we need to do is go to the transaction code FB60. Go to the transaction code FB60 and try to post 3, 4 or 5 scenarios. Sorry, 3 or 4 or 5 invoices of vendor. No issue. Take out the new vendor. Go to OB57. Cancel the invoice and try to post it. Go to the save button and save it. See, all of you, we do have one more option, that is post with reference. Okay, so when you go to the above option, that is a go to option, go up side. See, there is a post with reference. You no need to manually enter all these things. Okay, I mean, if you want to enter the same amount which you have posted earlier with same vendor, you can able to post that invoice again with post reference. Okay, so take out the post with reference. Click on the enter. Click on the enter. So go to the save button and save it. Okay, now what we need to do is select another amount. Okay, and give vendor and give another amount. No. Same vendor with different amounts. Okay, I think so. We have already seen the two different types of vendors, right? So now we will going to see the scenario of how we can able to exclude all these. I mean, some of the invoices of vendors in automatic payment program. Okay, yeah, take out the GL account and give the amount. Okay, now go to the go with reference. Click on the enter, and save it. So basically, this is the advantage of particular end users. Okay, to post the invoices with reference. Okay, no need to change anything and all. That is very important, right? Okay, I mean, whenever they are having the crucial times and all, post with reference will be used. Right. I mean, when it comes to the month ending activities or year ending activities, it will be used like this. OK, now go to the transaction code FBL1 in and try to check with all these invoices per vendor. Right. Go to the execute option. See, on the date of 0902. OK, so we have posted 3016, 3017, 3018 and 3019. OK, with the amount of how much amount 1991 like 81 like 8140 3,20,000. OK, so 3,20,000 is the our own invoices of vendor. OK, the thing is that all of you now just take out the 3016, 3017, 3018 and 3019. OK, just remember these 4 document types. Sorry, document number range. OK, so this document number range or I mean, these document numbers are 3016, 3017, 3018, 3019. Now I want to exclude 3017 and 3019. Okay, you got my point, right, all of you? 3017 and 3019. I want to exclude from the automatic payment program. I don't want to pay that amount to the vendor. Okay, when the organization doesn't want to pay that amount to that vendor, then what will be the exact point here? That means there could be an issue with vendors only. Okay, so that means if the material is not at all good, we will send back it, right? And we will not going to run the payments, right? I mean, if the material is good, we will make the payment. If the material is not good, we will not going to make the payment, right? So the thing is that, and one more point is that we are not going to run, okay, payments for particular vendor on the date of 09.02.2024 every month. Okay, so I just run some of the payments to the vendor on the date of 15.02.2024. I mean 15 of every month. Okay, of 2024 year. So that then why, I mean, how we can able to run all these things? Now go to the transaction code. Yeah, no, take out the new screen. Good. Give slash n. Yes, go to the transaction code F110. Go to the transaction code F110. Yes. Can you take out the run date 09.02.2024? Identification is take out any identification. And go to the parameter. Give the company codes. Payment method. And next payment date is 10.02.2024. Good. So then take out the vendor. Take out the vendor. In the parameter selection, you need to take out the vendor. Okay, so can you take out the due date check and payment method selection if not successful? Now go to the parameter, go to the status. Go to the status and yes, and go to the proposal and go to the proposal. Yes, start immediately. Go to the continue option, click on the enter. Go to the edit proposal. Edit proposal. Go to the continue option. See, 3,20,000 rupees has been picked for the vendor. Okay, you got my point. 3,20,000 rupees. So 4 invoices we have posted. Double click on it. Double click on 3,20,000 rupees. See, 70,000, 70,000, 90,000 and 90,000. Now I want to exclude 3017 and 3019 in the particular automatic payment program. Then what we need to do? Come back, come back, come back, one step back and go to the edit option and delete the proposal first. Go to the edit option and delete the proposal. Right. Now what we need to do is, so we do have one tab option, that is free selection tab. Go to the free selection tab. Go to the free selection. See all of you. In the field name, you can able to exclude whatever the invoices that you have for vendor as well as for the customers. Okay, so we do have vendors and customers, right? And you can able to exclude it. That's it. So go to the field name. Go to the field name. Yes. And take out the vendor master record. Is it related to vendor master record or is it related to particular documents or is it related to customer master records? Okay, that is your choice, right? Okay, if it is related to the document, if it is related to the vendor master records, if it is related to the customer master records, you can able to do it. That's it, right? See all of you in when it comes to the interview point of view, they just ask you these questions. Okay, they just ask you these questions on document number, on customer master records or vendor master records. Okay, that is the most important point right now we have. See why we are giving all these records and all. Okay, so if it is particularly related to the document number, you can able to you can able to take out the document. If it is related to the vendor master records, you can able to take out the vendor master records. Though it is related to the vendor master records, and that one, invoice is having the number ranges and numbers and all, then we can able to take out the document. You got my point, right, all of you? So that is very, very important in, when it comes to the vendor master records. Okay, they just ask you these questions, all of you. Definitely, they will going to ask you. But the thing is that how you are exploring all these things is very, very important. Okay, so take out the document. No issue. For vendors, we can able to take out the vendors. Okay. No. Remove this thing. Remove this thing. Go to the field name. Yes, go to the field name and take out the document. Yeah, continue it. Continue it. See in the document, all of you, what are the options you can able to see it? Posting date, line item, document number, fiscal year, assignment, special GL indicators, posting keys. Okay, you can able to do the particular payments. You don't want to enter the particular payments with these exclude options. If you don't want to enter the payments, okay, in automatic payment program, on what basis you are excluding the payments? These are the excluding payment, excluding options in automatic payment program. Now we will going to do with document number. Okay, document number is fine, all of you. Most of the 99% of the clients, they go with the document number or posting date or entry date or currency or reference or anything. Okay, so we just go with the document number. You will get a clarity, right? So take out the document number. Now for this particular values, SAP has some standard systems like this. Invoice number should have the 10-digit number. Okay, now what we need to do? So we have 3016, 3017, 3018 and 3019, right? So what we need to do is go to the values. Yes, try to write down 000000 3017. Okay, now you got my point, right? So go to the exclude. Go to the exclude values. Yes, so select that exclude value. Now click on the enter. Come back to the status. Come back to the status. Yes, click on the enter. Yes. Now you have excluded one document number. Okay, and you have excluded one vendor invoice. So when you exclude this particular vendor invoice, then what will happen, all of you? That amount should not be picked up. You got my point? So go to the proposal. Go to the proposal once again. Yes. Continue it. Click on the enter. Now go to the edit proposal. Go to the continue option. See, 2,50,000 it is taking. Why the 2,50,000 it is taking? We have excluded the vendor. Well, sorry, vendor invoice number. You got my point? Or if you want to see more clarity, if you want to have more clarity, what do you need to do? So you can just double click on 2,50,000 rupees. See, what is the exclude invoice number? That is 3017. Okay, so come back. Come back. Come back. Go to the delete edit option. Go to the edit option. Now go to the proposal. Delete the proposal. Delete the proposal. Go to the free selection tab. Go to the free selection tab. If you want to include another invoice like this, you can able to do it with comma, copy it and paste it. Copy that 0000003017 and remove the 7 and just give 9. Okay, we wanted to exclude two more, two invoices, right? 3017 invoice, 3019 invoice. Then what we need to do? So go to the status and save it. Go to the status and save it. Go to the status and save it and go to the proposal. Yes, go to the proposal. Go to the continue option. Click on the enter. Now go to the edit proposal. Continue it. See, 1,60,000 has come into the picture. Double click on it. 3017 has been excluded. 3019 has been excluded. You got my point, right? All of you. 3016 is there. 3018 is there. Now run the payment. Now run the payment. Come back and payment run. Yes. And payment. Click on the enter. OK, so there could be different types of configurations, all of you. Yesterday we have changed the configurations with the payment requests and all using transaction code Bkpf, and we do have different types of tables like T001, T002, and T004 and T004U, T004T. Like this we have. If any configuration is missed with the particular vendors or customer master records, automatically the system will going to throw you an error and it will not going to enter, or it will not going to exclude the invoices that you enter. OK, so this is the way you can able to generate it. Now, sorry, go back to the FBL1 and transaction code. Go back to the FBL1 and transaction code, refresh it. You see, all of you, how many records are there? 70,000 is there and 90,000 is there. Now what we need to do? So go to that F110 screen. Go to that F110 screen. Yes, and take out the identification as LTL5. LTL5. Click on the enter. Give the parameters. Give the parameter. That is company code. Payment method and next payment date. Yes, and take out the vendor. Good. And go to the additional log, due date, check payment method if not successful, vendors. And go to the free selection tab also. OK, so take out the field name as document number. Take out the field name as document number. Take out. And yes, same thing. 000000. 00000 take out. Take out those two things. If you want to include, OK, you can able to include. But the thing is that, I mean, if you suppose I have given you the 0000003018. OK, so change the number 3017 to 3018 and 3019 to 3016. The thing is, sorry, all of you. The thing is that, see, if you don't want to, if you don't tick mark on the exclude values, then it will not going to take it. OK, you got my point. I mean, though you entered the values in the field selections, Okay, if you don't tick mark the exclude values, I mean, if you don't tick mark the exclude values, okay, then what will happen automatically? So invoice will not be picked up, right? So that one also we will going to see it. Go to the status, go to the status and save it. Yes. Now go to the proposal run. Now go to the proposal run. Yes. Continue it. Click on the enter. Yes. Go to the edit proposal. Continue it. So company code don't appear in proposal run 09.02.lt file. Why? Okay, remove the sending company code. Click on the enter. Give the sending company code LTL1. Continue it. Open the company codes LTL1. Correct. No. Go to this thing. This error message. This error message. Maybe I think so. Yeah, remove this thing. No data existed for the specified company code and a specified sending company. Oh, why? Come back and go to that. Yes, yellow color option. All right. What we need to do is go to the parameter. Go to the parameter. Okay. Or else you do one thing. Come back. No issue. Come back. Go to the edit option. Delete the proposal run. Change the identification, that is LT16. Sorry, LTL6. Click on the enter. Yes, give the company code. Oh, no. Do it. You do one thing. Come back. Come back. Step back. No. And identification. Give the identification L5. LTL5. Click on the enter. And go to the edit option and delete the parameters. Go to the edit option. Edit option. Delete parameters. Yes. Okay. And change the identification as LTL6. Change the identification as LTL6. Click on the enter. Go to the parameters and company codes. Payment method. Next payment date as 10.02.2024. And vendor, take out the vendor, and to vendor also take out it. Yes. Then next one, additional log. Payment method. Yeah, vendors. And directly you can just go to the status option. Yes. Save it and go to the proposal. Start immediately. Continue it. Click on the enter and go to the edit proposal. Now go to the edit proposal. Continue it. Maybe identification we are not getting. Okay, so I think so. LTL5 is run. Okay, so that is why we are getting that error. Now it is a result, right? So double click on 1,60,000 rupees. So 90,000 rupees is there and 80,000 rupees is, sorry, 70,000 rupees is there, and you can able to clear the invoice. Okay, so I mean, if you don't take out the exclude option, so it will not going to give you, I mean, it will not going to exclude any vendor invoices. Okay, in payment program run. Come back and go to the payment run and run it. Yes, click on the enter. Okay, so this is the way you can able to exclude the document numbers. Okay, so that is very important in automatic payment program. So those things are mandatory, all of you. And at the same time, when it comes to the, see, you can able to exclude the vendor master records. Okay, so just take out the vendor numbers, comma, 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 like this. Okay, you can able to do the free selections tabs. Okay, so that is very, very important. Right now we have for vendor master records and customer master records, and try with that. You will going to get a clarity. Okay, you got my point. That is easy, right? Vendor master records. Give that number, account number, comma, customer account number, comma, anything. Okay, if you don't want to pay that amount to that vendor, or if you don't want to receive the amount from the customers, and you can able to exclude the payments. I mean, after getting the payments only, you will going to do it, all of you, from customers. And before you make the payment to vendors, you can able to do it with all these excluding options. Now you got a clarity, right, all of you, how you can able to exclude the payments, I mean exclude the invoices of vendors. Okay, you take it anything. Okay, for different types of vendors also you can able to I mean exclude the invoices. Okay, so this is the this is the best opportunity that we have in automatic payment program. So that is why SAP is more efficient and easy tool. I mean easy software tool to use it.